morning, my name is Henry Hernandez from course 1004, and I am going to expose each of the geese that we did during the year to make my recovery. Gate number 1. We have to watch a video answer 8 questions and send to the assignment. After that we have to make a video showing how to wash our hands. This guide to do answering the questions and how to make video by following the steps shown by the video. I learned how to properly wash my hands. Guide number 2. In this guide, we had to guide 3 points in which various topics were dealt with. This guide was solved in my notebook by copying the guide. In this guide, I learned the current wording and name of the various activities that we carry out daily. Guide number 3. In this activity, we had to watch a video on how to be good Christian and write 5 tips to the better citizen. I did this activity with the help of the Google Translator to answer the question. In this activity, I learned several tips to be a better citizen. Guide number 4. In this guide, we had to reading about the Bolivar city and from this answer the points, which were to write unknown words and the term marking, and answer some questions, and finally read a web page from this look for a tourist place in Ciudad Bolivar and make promotional brochure. In this activity, I learned the wealth and tourist potential that Ciudad Bolivar has. Guide number 5. In this guide, we had to watch 2 videos and with this write the steps to make the right song. I also had to write known vocabulary and write I did down in notebook. I had to make this sentence with the unknown vocabulary and the make and video explaining the steps and adding 5 more steps, and finally I had to write 5 steps and I added. In this video I learned how to learn language in playful way. Guide 7. In this guide, we had first of all to do learning of project. After this, we must put what we need to carry out our project, and then what is the most important thing in our project. And now we must ask the related question taking into account our line and establish a title to our project and description of no less than 10 lines. Here I learned how I want my project to work and establish. Guide number 8. In Guide 8, we have to see something about the scientific method, and from this solve the points which acts to the define of purpose. Build a hypothesis, test the hypothesis, analyze data, draw conclusion, communicate results. With the guide I learned how the scientific method works and how apply into my project. Guide number 9. In this guide we are having instructions to present and make presentation with pain of or distracted. With his information, I must make short summary in Spanish about the tips for managing the audience with a test. 10 lines. Then I have to make a short video where I explain all the points of the audience and they put them into place. Then I have to develop a workshop following the instructions. Hired by my teacher, in this workshop I learned how to express myself better, taking test tips into account. Guide number 10. In the first point of this guide, we must place three of false respective with respect of statement. In the next point, I have selected the ideas that go according to their respective sets. After answer with tag, they ask us about our work at home. Then I have to listen in audio in Edmodo. And with this assignment, a number of the tips that are named first. After this, I have to re-establish in sentence if they are true or of